All right, we are putting up silt fence. We got a 170-foot long string here. Got our stakes all set out. Barrett's over there eyeballing. He wanted to guess to see where that point was before we did it. That would be the opposite of this point over there. So that'll be fun to see how close he is. It'll depend on where he puts the stake at the street though. Yeah. So anyway, we built this house. That's just a spec house we built for the developer I've known for like 20 years. We're getting ready to build another one here. And should be fun. What is today? It's today the 18th. Here comes Eric with the paint. Don't use it all up on one line. Is that straight?
Yeah.
All right. We could play football out here on this field.
What to say.
Mark the 10-yard lines. You were only about 6 inches off. That's pretty good. Let's get her straight here. Where is the string at?
He's got it on the other side.
Is it hooked on my? Is it hooked on that stake? Oh no. We don't need the tape. Roll the tape up.
I thought we were going to do the same measurement on this side.
No, we're using the string. That's why I wanted to put a loop in the string.
Wasn't it like 170 last time?
I know. I said you were 6 inches off, and I was Look, I said you were 6 inches, and look, 6 inches.
Yeah.
All right, so let me. All right. Well, just roll the tape up, and we'll. I just wanted this to be tight. That's why I was just going to push it out until it was tight, but it'll be all right. I'll make the loop shorter. Eric ran out of gas. We had to go get some. We had to get a miniature. We're going to run over the culvert. There's always something in it, Barrett. Getting gas, getting Earl.
Yep.
Videoing while you're driving. Where'd the culvert go?
Yeah. We were curious about how many miles per gallon does a ditch witch get, so I looked it up. And I typed in the little model number thing, and it said generally, compact utility equipment like this often achieves fuel efficiency in the range of 10 to 20 miles per gallon.
See?
Depending on factors like load and operating
I
conditions.
said, even my Ford truck gets 19 miles per gallon. Eric was complaining because when we get to the gas station, they only had a 1 gallon gas can. And so when we get back, he's like, I need more gas, man. I'm like, dang, you're only going 300 feet. All right, got her in. It's like 400 feet of silt fence, and we're getting ready to backfill it. But that's a good job. That's a nice tidy job. It will be when we backfill. You know, a lot of these guys, like my excavator guy, he forgets to bring a bucket, right? So he'll want to dig a 24-inch trench down through here. It's just all nasty. It just tears up too much tear up. This lot's only 50 feet wide, so we have to be careful. So there you go. We are ready to start our footings now. I got to get my building permit. All I have is a land disturbance permit right now, but you can see there's our stakes, and hopefully we'll get to build the rest of these houses out here. There's 6 more lots, so we'll see. So I don't know if you've ever put in any silt fence, but you have to basically trench it in. You can't just set it on top of the ground and then backfill the little flap. It's got to be in the ground to keep the water from traversing from this lot. The property slopes like this, like that sort of a diagonal down there to the low point. So we must prevent our runoff, any kind of it's erosion control, keep the water from going. When the water passes through here, we have to keep it from taking silt from here to there. I have evidence that Eric is stealing water. We're having to clean off the trencher. We got lucky, there's a water meter right there. And we ran the water line from here to the corner of the house at an angle, so we decided to stop right there. But she's good.